Welcome to the JAD ROCH Index, where the World Cup final has extra time, penalties, and heartbreak. And crypto somehow still manages to be more dramatic.
This coin costs $1, while Bitcoin costs thousands. So the $1 coin must be cheaper, right?
Cheaper per coin, yes. Smaller project, not necessarily. Lamine, is a $1 coin automatically cheaper than Bitcoin? Only per coin. My shirt number is small too, but defenders still need a full tactical meeting. Exactly. Check the market cap. Market capitalization estimates a crypto network's total market value.
How do we calculate it?
Price multiplied by circulating supply. Rio, how do we calculating market cap? Price multiplied by circulating supply. Even a center back can calculate that before the striker finishes diving. Straight from the analysis desk.
Imagine two identical pizzas. One has 10 slices and the other has 1,000.
The smaller slices cost less, but the whole pizza may still have the same value.
Sergio, 10 pizza slices or 1,000 tiny slices? Same pizza, but touch my last slice and the referee may need VAR. Market cap measures the whole pizza. Message received.
Let's use simple numbers.
Coin A costs $10 with 1 million circulating coins. Its market cap is $10 million.
Tiano, coin A costs $10, coin B costs only 1. Whichever. Show me the supply first. Price without context is just a scoreboard before kickoff. Professional answer. See you, perb.
Coin B costs only $1, but has 100 million circulating coins.
That gives it a $100 million market cap, 10 times larger.
Coin B is cheaper per coin but has 10 times the market cap. Not really. A cheaper ticket does not mean the stadium is smaller. Exactly. One number tells you the price. The whole scoreboard tells you the game.
So a coin priced at 1 cent is not automatically a bargain.
Exactly. A huge supply can make a tiny price look deceptively cheap. 1 cent coin, 100 billion supply. Bargain? A goalkeeper watches the whole box, not only the ball. Check the whole project.
Exactly. A tiny price with a giant supply is crypto wearing an oversized jersey.
Market cap saves the penalty. Compare price, circulating supply, and market cap together, not price alone.
Count the whole pizza, not just one slice.
Price is one player. Supply is the squad. Market cap is the whole club.
Well, this is the part where I leave. I'm not paid for overtime, you know. Subscribe and goodbye.